2018 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.